Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to make your laptop faster within just 2 to 3 minutes. So let's start. For that, go to the settings of your laptop. After that, go to the apps. After coming to the apps, go on apps and features. After coming to the apps and features, you can see the list of apps present in your laptop and also running in your laptop. So you have to do thing is just uninstall the unused apps which you are not using right now and not going to use in future. So just uninstall it, make the free space. Now the second thing is go to this PC, find the files which are empty and you are not using, like this. I have more files, I have to delete them. Just unused files, delete them. Now the third thing is simply right click on your taskbar, go to the task manager. After coming to task manager, you can see here options called startup. Click on startup. After coming to startup, you can see apps. These startup apps called startup because when you start the laptop, these apps start automatically. So you don't have to start this, because if our laptop starting is not good, then automatically performance is very bad. So just click on it. After right clicking on it, you will get the options enable, disable. Just disable them all. And after doing these three things, simply refresh. And the last and the best thing is, guys, make sure that your Windows is very updated and have the updated version, latest version. Hope you will like this video. Just press the bell icon and subscribe it.